Guys, I'm just gonna say to Teacher Kel, I'm here to apologize that I'm the one who endorsed Bangag Bongbong Marcos. It is my fault that I endorsed Bongbong Marcos named Bangag. I mentioned. I know what I feel was, for me, I respect your vote, Teacher Kel, because at the time, in 2022 election, you endorsed Lenny Robredo, but me, I endorse Bangag. Oh, because I know I got scammed by Bangag. Even who are among who got scammed by Bangag? Oh, Ate Nenet Manalo, oh, my close neighbor, oh, my mom's friend, and even um, um, my closest friends anyway, oh, the DDS supporters, oh, they got scammed by Bangag, nabudol na tayo, oh, actually, here's the one thing for for Teacher Kel and Eskel Penumbra. I already apologized to your husband. Eskel Penumbra, I don't want to pick a fight. We know already, and we reconcile each other. Oh, at least you gave me a Hot Wheels. You bought it, you gave it to me in Philippines. You bring it to Balikbayan box to donate Hot Wheels Ford Shelby. And you, what is that? And you stock it in Landers. No, I bought Hot Wheels Ford Shelby 67. But for me, I'm just gonna say to Eskel Penumbra, I'm not here to pick a fight. I'm here to make reconciliation, and mostly, I know I respect your daughter, I respect your wife. I'm already know. Because me, for example, I talk with Kuya Park official, I apologize Teacher Kel, and Eskel Penumbra. And Kuya Park official, one of my DDS supporter, had conveyed a message to Teacher Kel and Eskel Penumbra that I apologize to them. I apologize, Teacher Kel. I was wrong that I endorse Bangag, Bongbong Marcos. Oh, because I know he's a thief. I know I just listened to Barbie Pabelo, that was a sister of Teacher Kel. I know I just listened to Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos at the time that Bongbong Marcos, aka Bangag, and even his father, Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., they were also the greatest robbery of the government. They steal money. They stole the money. They grabbed the money and use it as a bravery. So, for me, this is hard to say. I'm not also a Marcos loyalist. I am a Duterte supporter and I am a non-political. Oh, that's what I remember. I never post anything in Instagram. I never want to debate to other people. I don't want to pick a fight. I am staying neutral. I am staying non-political. I am staying non-partisan. If I were you, if you're watching this, Teacher Kel, if you read the Instagram threads from Mark Cruz that he's posting against Duterte, don't believe his lies. Even you, Eskel Penumbra, don't believe Mark Cruz lies. It's all nonsense. You know that. I asked Eskel Penumbra and Teacher Kel, don't believe Mark Cruz lies. Because, he's telling a lie. That how did Christian Mengito, he met Mika Lim. Oh, would you experience that? I said before, Mark Cruz. You see, anyway, Teacher Kel had said it to Kuya Park official, my fellow DDS supporter, and also me. Oh, She said to me, Christian Mengito, she doesn't know Mika Lim. Why Christian Mengito doesn't know about Mika Lim? Because it's a lie. Teacher Kel says to me, it's a lie. Oh, Christian Mengito never met Mika Lim. If I were you, Mark Cruz, stop speculating rumors over at Christian Mengito. He doesn't even know about Mika Lim. How many times I've been tell you, Mark Cruz? I already been told by Teacher Kel. I already been told by Kuya Park official, one of my friend who is a Duterte supporter. At hindi po kilala ni Christian Mengito si Mika Lim. If I'm just saying before, I was told by Terra Francisco or J. Rick Silva. Sasabihin ko lang paulit-ulit like I said before. Hindi po kilala si Christian Mengito si Mika Lim. Wala pong kinalaman kay Mika Lim. So if I were you, Mark Cruz, you stop spreading lies about Mika Lim to close relations with Christian. Mika Lim, in her house, indifferent, in Cebu, it's in Cebu City. Christian Mengito was in Cebu province, in Compostela. Different place in Cebu. And then you said before, you post against political affiliation, you post against Rodrigo Duterte, Sara Duterte, Bastid Duterte, Paulo Duterte. What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? If for example, Mark Cruz, if the sister of Teacher Kel, named Barbie Pabelo, she's a certified Duterte supporter, if she read it, the post in Instagram, in threads, you're bashing against Rodrigo Duterte, Bastid Duterte, Paulo Duterte, and Sara Duterte, and Kitty Duterte. If I say again, Mark Cruz, not only Barbie Pabelo will tell to Kuya Park official, everyone will tell to Kuya Park official and the DDS supporters. They will raid your house. They will arson your house. They will beaten you, Mark Cruz. I am telling you, Mark Cruz. They will beaten you. That is my warning to you. I'm not accusing you, Mark Cruz. That is my warning to you. If you don't even how to stop posting nonsense, why I still accusing you, Mark Cruz? Because you are wrong for posting against Duterte. You should be non-political. Like Kuya Ver. Kuya Ver says to me, if you post against Duterte siblings, even the Duterte family, this will be hurt to the DDS supporters. This will be hurt by Duterte supporters. Even Kuya Park official, Barbie Pabelo, the DDS supporters, bloggers, and content creators, they will hurt because what you are posting. Now you see, Mark Cruz, the Duterte supporters, they're going to raid your house in San Pedro, Laguna, and Kuya Park official will throw the Molotov. He will arson your house. Is this what you like, Mark Cruz? Posting lots of nonsense and they will mob you in your house? Is this what you like? And you calling me manslaughtering? You know, Mark Cruz, I had enough about your nonsense. Even you're posting about Rene Bartebonia. Because I know Teacher May, that was a nephew, Rafael Tiburcio, had said to me, why does Mark Cruz posting nonsense about Rene Bartebonia. Everyone are mourning about Rene Bartebonia. Please, Mark Cruz, stop posting about Rene Bartebonia. He's already dead, even alongside with Divine Adili. He's also dead too. Let me ask you something, Mark Cruz. When are you gonna stop posting nonsense? I just want to tell in Filipino, kailan ka ba titigil, Mark Cruz? Kung ano-anong pinopost mo, like I said, I say again, Mark Cruz, Barbie Pabelo, the sister of Teacher Kel, and even my friend Kuya Park Official, both of them are Duterte supporters. They are angry at you, Mark Cruz. They will curse you a PI word in Tagalog. Even the Duterte supporters, they are still angry at you. They will mob your house. They will arson your house, Mark Cruz, in San Pedro, Laguna. If I am warning you, Mark Cruz, I know you are a follower of Bangag Marcos Jr. I know you are a follower of Bongbong Marcos, Mark Cruz. If I were you, Mark Domingo Cruz, tumigil ka na sa pagpo-post mo. Sumasobra ka na. It's always to say what you are posting it. It's really nonsense. Look at me, Mark Cruz. When I use in Instagram threads, I never post political in threads. I am non-political. I am non-partisan. Is this what you like to post nonsense? Christian Mengito, if I were you, pagsabihan mo yung tao na yan, like I said, named Mark Cruz, he has to stop posting nonsense. Everyone are angry at Mark Cruz. J. Rick, Silva, Barbie Pabelo, the sister of Teacher Kel, even Kuya Park Official, the Duterte supporters, even the other people are angry at him. Even the one of my follower in the blogger of Duterte vlogger of Banateros, they are angry at Mark Cruz. If I were you, Mark Cruz, if I just want to tell you something, please do not involve the Duterte family in your nonsense. Do not involve Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili in your nonsense. Huwag mo sila idamay. Huwag mo idamay ang mga Duterte. Huwag mo idamay si Rene Bartebonia at Divine Adili. Because I know what is your posting at, it's also nonsense.